So this is a nice looking colony. So when we pull the lid off right here, we could see all the bees were right on the top of the frames. So there's at least 7 or 8 frames right here at the top that they're working.
So we learned a new technique in the intermediate beekeeping class to count the bees on the top, and then also pull it up at the bottom.
Correct.
Average that to get your actual number of frames. I thought that was really cool. It was something I had actually considered before.
And it wasn't something that you would have learned in my apiary, because I just learned that when I started doing the Sentinel Apiary testing for the Maryland Bee Informed Partnership.
Yeah, because they're the ones that said that designed that method. So we
Correct.
Can actually
Correct. So that's kind of a fun metric to look at.
Can you explain the metric again?
So the Bee Informed Partnership, they have a Sentinel Apiary testing program. So it's kind of like a citizen science group, right? So people pay money, they send you a bunch of bottles and a bunch of testing things that you want to test on 4 to 6 hives in your apiary each month. You put 300 bees into some liquid and send it off to the Beltsville Bee Lab, and they do Varroa and Nosema testing on those samples. One of the metrics that we look at is a frame count, the number of bees that you actually see on the frames. Ow, 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 she got me. So the number of bees that you see across the frames here when we open the hive, what we'll do is we'll take this box, flip it up, and then count the number of frames underneath. I was going to say, I might be able to tilt them. So what we're going to do is kind of crack the boxes in between and then do a little tilt so that we can see how many frames of bees we have. So there's a fair number of frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least 6 frames I can see. So nice looking. Same thing here. If you see, 6.5. Yep, 6.5. So you see, there's still bee eyes looking up at us down here from between the frames. They're wondering what the hell we're doing in here. Nice. Nice.
So 6.5.
6.5. So nice looking colony. This is 2 deeps. So it is a bigger hive, size wise.
About 5.5 on top. So about 6 frames up here.
Yeah.